In this video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an hose pipe with a gas regulator. To begin with, you will need a gas regulator, a strong hose and a clip. Your clip should be first inserted into the hose pipe, then followed by your gas regulator. The hose should be installed into the gas regulator inlet. Make sure it's properly fitted into the gas regulator. Along with the clip, make sure it is in the right direction before fixing it together. With the help of a plier, make sure it's properly tightened together, but prevent over tightening because over tightening can cause gas leakage. After fixing the regulator and the hose pipe together, the other end of the hose pipe is the one to be fitted to the appliance at home. Make sure each time you fix your regulator, you should test for gas leak by using a soapy water test. This can be done by the use of water and the detergent. Properly fit in your gas regulator into the gas cylinder valve, and make sure the tap of the gas regulator is closed. This will prevent leakage in time of installation.